Hi, and welcome to this spelling, punctuation, and grammar exercise. So the first question states, what are modal verbs in the sentence below? So modal verbs are verbs that indicate likelihood or possibility of something occurring, or giving somebody instructions, permission, or giving them some sort of ability, obligation to do a certain task. So they are what we call helping words or helping verbs. And some of the examples can be seen here, such as can, be able to, may, shall, must, will, would, have to, should, might, and so on and so on. So you're trying to find what the modal verbs are in this particular sentence here. So let's have a look and let's try and highlight some of these modal verbs as we go through them. So everyone could see Dave as he appeared over the horizon. If he kept sprinting, he might win the race. So in this case, we can see that could, everyone could, this here will be a modal verb. Everyone could see Dave as he appeared over the horizon. If he kept sprinting, he might win the race. So might is another modal verb here in this particular question. So you have could and might. So two possibilities of something occurring in terms of ability, possibility, permission, and also obligation as well. Okay, and good luck with the rest of the questions. We'll follow these up in our next class. Thank you.